Hey guys, welcome back. मैं हूँ जोजो. This
और मैं
is
हूँ श्रुति.
Mhm. It's time. We ended this album, the Sab Chahiye album, Raval and Bharg. We've taken very long with it, even though we covered two tracks at a time and stuff. But
Yes,
I mean, इतने
yes.
सारे गाने हैं album. What do we do? But nicely, we have gone
We've
on
enjoyed
a
the journey also.
journey.
Yeah, we've enjoyed the journey thoroughly. So,
Yes. Let's see where these last two tracks of the album leave us. One is called Naseeb. मेरे नसीब में that comes to mind. I
don't mix
bet.
one song with another.
I know, yeah, I know. But then we have what is it? Sab चाहिए का चाहिए सब हो गया
Chahiye
last
Sab.
song.
Nice,
So
I like that. ये पूरी
हाँ,
album ends with Chahiye Sab.
it started with Sab चाहिए ना, and now it's ending with
Yes,
this. So
yeah,
I think
nice.
both are sort of interlude-ish lengths, 1 minute 50 seconds, and this one is
अच्छा.
2 minutes 40. Okay, let's start with Naseeb. Let's do it.
Okay, done.
चलो, 1, 2, 3, play.
यो कैसा है ब्रो?
ए ब्रो
Sai bro,
व्हाट्सअप क्या
तू
हाल है?
कैसा है?
लॉन्ग टाइम ब्रो. क्या 1 साल हो गया क्या?
हाँ ब्रो लगा के चल रहे हैं, काफ़ी ज़्यादा टाइम हो गया ब्रो. तू बता, तेरा म्यूज़िक सुना मैंने.
हाँ ब्रो, वो तो चल ही रहा है बढ़िया. तू बता एक्टिंग वगैरह कैसे चल रही है तेरी?
अरे ब्रो 1 साल का स्ट्रगल, पर फिर सोच लिया प्ले इट सेफ. घर पे तो तेरे को पता ही है, मुश्किल से 1 साल मिला था. पर तेरा सही है ब्रो, तू तो बढ़िया म्यूज़िक कर रहा है. क्या किस्मत है यार, किस्मत है यार, किस्मत है यार.
सूट और टाई पहने ऊपर उठते पर फीके फटती इनकी जीने में जो जिंदगी हम जीते मीठा बन के चाटे तो फिर खटती यहाँ पे जीब है किस्मत का ना खेल या बनाते खुद नसीब है क्यों लटके रहते फंदे से आजाद तू सिर्फ संडे पे कितने सपने मन में थे कितने सपने मन में थे
जीते जो खौफ से पूरी जिंदगी निकाल देते जॉब पे इन जैसे बहुत है दबके जो रहते हैं बॉस से खुद ही का लॉस से जिंदगी नहीं मिलेगी ये दोबारा दिल की सुन यही है नारा तेरे सपने ही है तेरा सहारा बोलने दे उन्हें कि तू है आवारा जितना तू लेगा रिस्क उतना रिवॉर्ड लगे रे बढ़ेगी चौड़ जो चलते हैं बुन तेरे ना दे तू गौर तू जैसा है नहीं कोई और होगा पछतावा जब पीछे तू देखेगा होगा जब पेंदस का कितना दिल बेचेगा बन के तू जिंदा लाश सपने समेटेगा या मरेगा तू जब कफन में लेटेगा
सूट और टाई पहने ऊपर उठते पर फीके फटती इनकी जीने में जो जिंदगी हम जीते मीठा बन के चाटे तो फिर कटती यहाँ पे जीब है किस्मत का ना खेल या बनाते खुद नसीब है क्यों लटके रहते फंदे से आजाद तू सिर्फ संडे पे कितने सपने मन में थे कितने सपने मन में थे
आज दिन कौन सा है केक कौन सा है मेरा हर दिन भी जॉब सा है मेरे डिटॉक्स ना है मेरे खाने के लिए बीट और ना है पर आगे का भी सोचना है तभी आगे देखो पीछे नहीं मैं काटे काफी धागे मुझे पीके मैंने काफी चौथे ज्ञान वो का है उसी जगह उसी क्लब में उन्हीं तलवों को अभी तक चाट रहे हैं पता था गवादार रहन सहन लोग नहीं दिखी तस्वीर एक और नहीं बनाया तू खाएगा और कोई आए मुसीबत और कोई तेरा नसीब अब और सही मिला वो मांगा जो दिल से कि तेरी नहीं लेने में हक का तू हक लेना और कहीं नसीब
सूट और टाई पहने ऊपर उठते पर फीके फटती इनकी जीने में जो जिंदगी हम जीते मीठा बन के चाटे तो फिर कटती यहाँ पे जीब है किस्मत का ना खेल या बनाते खुद नसीब है क्यों लटके रहते फंदे से आजाद तू सिर्फ संडे पे कितने सपने मन में थे कितने सपने मन में थे
Damn.
That was amazing.
Yeah.
Did you like it? I
Oh,
liked it.
Freaking hell, I loved it. I loved it. Raval, Bharg, Kam, and Darcy, it says.
Wow.
I'm trying to see. Darcy.
With their flow and the lyrics and the way they, whatever, the way they spoke it. And like, very nice. And like truth bombs, सब कुछ सच्चाई थी. So it was like अलग level पे जाके वो छू रहा था.
Yes. I'm just trying to see who. I know there was Kam was on it, and Raval, of course. Bharg was in. They were talking at the start. I'm trying to see Darcy. The hook was Darcy. Hook was Darcy.
Very
First verse was Raval, of course. Then hook was Darcy, and then the second verse was Kam. I mean, they all freaking killed it in their respective zones.
Amazing.
On the track.
And yet merged very nicely as one track. Like if I put aside that I know all these voices separately and like we've heard all their separate things, so we know kaun hai, but as a track you would not see the difference between the hook, verse 1, verse 2 and coming in and out. Like it was all very nicely done together as a production, which was really nice.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I just love the message of the song. I loved what they were telling the people. Um, Everybody can listen to it and take a lesson or take a message or take something to think about their own life from this song. Because whether you're, I don't know, 35, 40, or whether you're 18, 20 years old, at any point in your life where you just about your most your biggest passions, or you've about those
Yeah.
desires to break free and just live for what you really love doing,
Yeah.
then this is the song that will hopefully motivate you to not give up on that
Yeah.
thought.
Yeah.
And I mean, this is why I love hip hop, because we are just said songs like this that say what's needed to be said in such a fantastic way. The music was, the beat was awesome.
Correct.
The verses were hard hitting, yet they
Correct.
had that. They didn't just have that lecture wali feeling. They had that
Yeah.
very like I have been in your place, so I know your pain, and that's why I'm telling you this as a friend and as a brother, and
Yeah.
as someone who just wants you to do well, who just wants you to be happy. So it's
Yeah.
not coming from that that lecture wala gyan dene wala place, which I really like the vibe. It was a
Yeah.
very
Yeah.
bro love, friend love
इसीलिए तो
sort of
इतना
zone.
hard relate happens.
हाँ,
Like hard, you
वही.
relate so hard to something only when somebody is not trying to sell it as a lecture, but
Yeah.
just saying कि अरे यार ये हो रहा है.
फिर वो
I don't
ऑटोमेटिकली
know.
आपका माइंड क्लोज हो जाता है before they start
हाँ.
only. In the first two sentences
Correct.
only, you'll be like,
Correct.
oh, they've started again. I don't want to listen to this. Except they're telling you the right thing. But when it's done in this
Correct.
manner, it hits home. It hits home.
Yes.
So
Well done,
very
boys.
nice.
Well done, boys.
Just and the flows, man. Both Raval and Calm and
Calm. Yeah, all of them amazing, superb.
I just have to listen to it again. But now let's end this album with the finale.
Yes.
It's called Chahiye
Yes.
Sab. Let's get to it.
Chahiye sab. Chahiye sab. Ready.
Before we get to that, I want to hear more of Darcy, because I really liked the vocals on the hook. You know?
The hook for me was the best part, and very, very well, not like when I'm thinking back, hook is what's the first thing that's coming to me. So very catchy, very most definitely, like it's like gripping you in, for sure. Yeah.
Lovely. Recommend. Tell us more of his stuff. Okay, Chahiye Sab. 1, 2, 3, play.
Ooh, Bart cooked another one.
सब चाहिए सब जहाँ पे थे कल वहाँ नहीं है अब जाना बड़ी दूर लिखा खून में गाड़ी मकान साथ में पूल है मिलता भगवान मन से ढूंढ के पाया मुकाम चाहे घूम के जहाँ पे थे कल वहाँ नहीं है अब सब चाहिए सब कोई नहीं दिखा सकता नीचा दलदल से खुद को है खींचा सब मैंने खुद से ही सीखा जिंदगी ही मेरी टीचर जूते पे नहीं था कोई फीता लड़का था कभी नहीं फीका कभी नहीं लिया कला से इस्तीफा हर फूल से भरा बगीचा दिल्ली का सीन किया एल्बम में फीचर तो आ जाए अब कोई भी सामने बकचोदी कभी नहीं नाम पे रावल एक्सपर्ट सिर्फ चढ़ते हैं काम पे धरती से बोर होके चल दिए चांद पे जिंदगी जीरे चढ़ान पे पहुंचना मुकाम पे दिक्कतें आन दे रोकने की कोशिश कोई भी हमें करे तो उसका तो एक ही अंजाम है होना बदनाम है शक्ति ब्रह्मांड में क्योंकि अब हो गई है बस 2001 के सब चाहिए सब बुरे दिनों की नाव डूब के गई धस तरक्की की भर गई मुझ में हवस सबर का फल मीठा चाहिए अब रस अब बिना चरस करता मैं तपस अब गानों से कर सकते अपने वश में असली हो रहे सारे सपने सब चाहिए सब जहाँ पे थे कल वहाँ नहीं है अब जाना बड़ी दूर लिखा खून में गाड़ी मकान साथ में पूल है मिलता भगवान मन से ढूंढ के पाया मुकाम चाहे घूम के जहाँ पे थे कल वहाँ नहीं है अब सब चाहिए सब चाहिए सब चाहिए सब
I'm sorry. On their behalf, right now, like full mic drop needs to happen. Like what? And that beat. Oh my god.
Bhark, if you've done the music for this, freaking hell. Oh, every element of the music in this track.
amazing. What did this voice do?
It's left me on a high. It's left me on such a high. I have goosebumps and I freaking love it. I just love it.
Yes.
This is how you end an album.
I'm with you.
This is how you
100%.
end an album.
Yes.
It's 1 minute 52 seconds of awesomeness. This is how you end an album.
Wow. Wow. What?
1 second. Can I just have the last 10 seconds?
That-
Okay, 1 second. We have to, I need to.
Just do. Yes.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1 second.
सब चाहिए सब चाहिए चाहिए सब चाहिए सब चाहिए चाहिए सब सब चाहिए सब
Good. Okay.
चाहिए
I'm
सब
done. So good. So good.
Oh man.
So,
Amazing.
what do you have to say
Rahul
about
and
this?
Bharg.
Say this
Rahul
last.
and Bharg,
Ha.
so well done. So well done. Especially like
hearts.
this last. I think this is my favorite track in the entire album. And today I can say that because like there were so many amazing songs. But this track just came and said, boss, abhi to humne shuru kiya hai." And it just left. It just slid its way out. Like, wow, I love it.
Yes, abhi to humne shuru kiya. I'm glad you said that because now, after all the tracks of this album and all the emotional places we've been to and back and you know
Yeah.
all of that, to end it with something like this, which is musically, lyrically, all of like every element about this last final track is so freaking top notch. You're like,
Yeah.
what are they gonna do after this, man? These guys are
Doesn't-
like,
Doesn't it almost feel like an intro to what's to come? Like, you know, just a kabhi
Yeah.
prequel drop karte hain. So the
Yeah.
final track almost seems like a prequel to something new that they're about to, new sound that they're working on and something new that's about to come. Because this kind of sound, the previous song that we just heard, that had it a little bit. Naseeb had a very slight tinge of it, but this song went all out in this kind of a vibe. Now, I don't know what exactly to call that vibe, but you know what I'm talking about, right?
I
Like,
know what you're
both
talking
these
about. It
songs-
had a bit of the
right?
electronic dance
Yeah.
zone and
Yeah.
a lot of mixtures happening. Was it the flute that was playing? Because it was there was kind of
It
this
was-
electronic sound to it.
It was
I
all
don't-
electronic.
Yeah, it wasn't
so it
really.
was, yeah, it wasn't a flute. It was all electronic, but it was so beautifully arranged. I can't get over it. And
I
if
can't
this
get
is-
exactly, and I'm just like, you know, this is the composition of the music of this track is so freaking next level. It's taken us into a zone we've never been in before, and I'm even talking about the rest of the tracks of this album.
loop into 15,
so-
this is going to happen. This
Huh.
one track versus the entire album.
Yeah, and you know what I think the USP is, and I need to say this when we're finishing up the album. There was that guitar interlude, right, in Bombay Sapphire, that guitar solo, and it was beautiful. And the thing is, you and I react to so many non-hip hop songs. We listen to a lot of classical, semi-classical, Coke studios, Nescafe basements, where there's just a lot of musicians who are jamming live and recording live, and that whole thing. And we've you know, there's a
Lots
whole
of indie as well.
there's a whole plethora of classical and traditional instruments that we've heard and talked about, but I've never heard them being used in an album like this, like you know, like they've experimented and they know their stuff and they've gone with it. You know, it's like let's run with it. Let's put all these elements that we know and we do so well. Let's put it all out there and create something super unique for the scene. So in that sense, hats off to you guys as musicians. And just I don't know, as artists. It's brilliant. It's brilliant.
You know, you're so right what you just said, because as you were speaking, you know what song I was reminded of? The one where the video started with that they are sitting on some hill thing and they have their guitar and like, you know, there are 2-3 of them sitting with this thing.
Magan,
and then
na?
Magan. Yes, Magan. Magan had again a very fresh feel where you suddenly heard and you were like, wait, are they actually doing this with a hip hop track? Like, that's phenomenal. So I'm so glad that you brought the whole music element and the way they've merged music with hip hop and then created this sound. I don't think anyone else is doing this kind of stuff on the scene. And now with the whole techno, brilliant, lovely.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of people will say case you know, there's non hip hop elements in this album, but But I think that's the beauty of it. That's the beauty
Yeah.
of it, that people who are well versed in different things
Yeah.
bring all of it together to create an album that kind of that just shows what they can do as musicians, and there's nothing wrong
Yeah.
with that. You know, you don't need
Yeah.
to stick to sort of one thing and just do that, or just say that, oh, that's how the genre grows, that's how the audience's listening preferences expand. That's how
Correct.
you just a lot of it is, if till you haven't heard something, you don't know that you like it, or you don't realize that you wanted it.
Correct.
So
You don't know what you were missing.
yeah, because
and now you do.
I'm saying this because when we used to program music, especially me, I would play a lot of track, and I was known for this, and I would get into trouble for it a lot, because I would, you know how
I know.
in programming
Not allowed.
you're not allowed to play certain songs. There's like a selection, and there's like the whole requested songs, the commercial hits, all of that is what you need to play. But I would gusao all these indie songs, and I would gusao all these independent artists into the playlist all the time, because I was like, people will love this when they hear it.
Correct.
And because they haven't heard it, they will not understand that there is music like this out there that, will touch them and all of that. So anyway, coming back, not digressing too much, this album, I don't know what my favorite track is. I love this last one. It's left me on a high. I'm still kind of partial to Aage or Upar, because it just hit me emotionally in a different way. But every track, there's no this. I'm just looking at it. Sab Chahiye the Magan, Jangli Kutta blew our minds. Akkad Bakkar, like Baat Ban Gayi is such a good. Bombay Sapphire, such a vibe. Khush Reh Tu, oh my god. Even Maut was so Who Let the Dog. Okay, I'm just this
Every
album.
track.
What are you guys doing? You
Hi,
guys I mean, killed it. Just killed it. We love it. We love it. And
We look forward to your next album.
Next
What are you
album,
breaking
next
right now?
single.
First tell me that.
No, I was
What do
I was just my table. Okay.
Yeah, what is that?
My cup.
Okay. So we look forward to the next one. We look forward to their next, maybe even a single, maybe between two albums. They might drop whatever next they're working on. I'm very, very intrigued and extremely curious now. I want to know what is this next thing that they're working on. Because abhi जिस point पे उन्होंने छोड़ा है ना, बहुत बुरा किया है. बहुत बुरा किया है उन्होंने.
बुरा भी अच्छा भी. No, but he said that कि दिल्ली वाली scene को feature किया album में, kind of talking about everyone who's featured on this album, and I think that will continue. I'm guessing people will keep featuring each other in their albums. These guys have arrived in the Dilli wala scene in a big way with this album.
And how?
Correct. And just keep up with the awesomeness. Just keep delivering on this. You do you, and you do you so well. Keep doing it, basically.
And we love listening to you, so thank you for this album.
Yeah, thank you for this album. Thank you guys for requesting it, recommending it. Thank you, Raj Jones, for introducing us first to Raval and Bharg. So all that said, chalo, nikalte hain. Actually, they have a new music video, but I think we'll get to it later. They dropped a video for Baat Ban Gayi.
Super. So we'll probably check it out.
वो भी check out कर लेंगे next time. ये बहुत लंबा हो गया है, but ठीक है. चलो, thanks guys. Check out Miss Bola's channel. It's linked below, and live long and prosper.